How to remove follow button on Facebook. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we want to remove the follow button on our Facebook account or our Facebook profile is to go to our main menu right here and scroll down to the very end until we see settings and privacy. All we have to do is to tap on that and click on settings right here. Once we're on our settings, all we have to do is to scroll down until we find this section that says audience and visibility right here. So we just have to scroll down from that and we are able to see followers and public contents. We just have to tap on that again. And now we are able to see right here on the upper part the who can follow me option. So in order for us to remove the follow button on our Facebook account or Facebook profile, all we have to do is to tap this public right here and change it to friends right here so that only our friends will be able to follow us on Facebook. So that's how to remove follow button on Facebook. Hope we help.